What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to do a mock draft on ESPN Fantasy Football. We're going to open the ESPN Fantasy app, and then around the middle of the screen you can see Fantasy Football, and then on the right you can see Try a Mock Draft. So we're going to tap on it, and then you have a practice draft for your league, but if you don't have a league yet, you might want to create one or join a public mock draft. We're going to tap on practice draft on our league, and then you can select your draft position. I'll leave it at 1, and then select Start Practice Draft. As you can see, we have a few seconds to start right here, just about 5 seconds, and right here, when it's our time, we're going to have to pick from the right side of the screen. It's my pick, so I have to choose one player. It's expected that I already have a list of players that I like. So I'm going to pick draft for the first one, just randomly, and then we're waiting for our turn. Currently it's team 4, team 5, and it will get to our turn. What you can do while you're waiting is to put some other players on queue. We could tap on this, and randomly, when it's your turn, any player who remains will be a way to quickly choose one. Right now it's our turn. We're going to pick on Samuel D, draft. We have another option. We're going to pick on R White, and now we have to wait for our turn. So this is how to do a mock draft on ESPN Fantasy Football. So you want to give it a try yourself and see how well you can do with this mock draft. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.